Everybody wants to write better prompts right now. And the people actually making real cash with AI, specifically agents, they actually stop doing this. So they do something before the prompts that most people just brush aside and skip completely. All right, so real quick, why am I even talking about this today? Because a video dropped August 3rd about this exact idea right here. And it pulled around 76K views in about 3 days. That right there, that's a massive outlier. So something has to be happening, right? And when something blows up like that, you know, success will leave clues. And I believe Tony Robbins is the one who said that. So he's a billionaire. I'm going to take his advice. So by the end of this video, you'll know the 5 boxes to actually draw before you build any automation. So that way, the agent just stops guessing. And you better stick around because there's one question that you can actually ask that tells you where your automation will break even before you run it. Take a guess down in the comments before you see it. All right, so this is what everyone does. You write one giant prompt. Handle my leads, text them back, book the appointment, be kind. And you hand it to the agent and then just hope that it does what you want. But imagine now hiring a new guy. And on day 1, you say, hey, handle all my customers. And then you just walk away. No checklist, no training, nothing. That's literally what a giant prompt pretty much does. And here's actually the worst part. When it breaks, and it will break, you can't see where. It's like one big giant black hole box, right? And a lead didn't even get a text back. Good luck finding out why. So what's the fix, you might ask? So before you even touch that agent, you draw the map. 5 boxes. I'm going to keep it super simple, right? All right, so 1, the steps. What actually happens in order. All right, so the lead comes in, check if it's real. Text back, wait, and then follow up. All right, so number 2, the checks. Did it actually match up? Is this a real phone number? Did they actually reply? Number 3, the memory. What does the system actually want to remember or have to remember? Who we texted, when and how many times. All right, so 4, the re-goes. No answer? Wait an hour, do it again. Still nothing? Do it tomorrow. 5, the handoff. The point where the human steps in. You got a big job, you got an angry customer, that goes to you. Not the AI, not a robot. So, now watch what happens. The lead comes in. Is it real? No? Toss it. Yes, then text it back in 60 seconds. No reply, wait an hour, and do it again. You still get nothing, flag it for you. Boom. Every step is a box that you can point at. And here's that question that I actually promised for you. So for every box on your map, ask what happens when this one fails. If you can't answer it, that's exactly where it's probably going to break. So that's the whole trick. The giant prompt hides the weak spots. The map shows you every single one before you build with that agent. All right, so what's the catch though? This is definitely a little slower up front because drawing that map feels like homework when you just want to build, right? And look, if your automation is one step, like just summarize my emails, you don't need a map. Also, prompt engineering definitely isn't literally dead. You're still going to want to write the prompts. They're just smaller. And they live inside each one of those boxes or maps where they can't wreck the entire system. And here's why this is actually huge if you sell this stuff. If you're paying, or if you're even paying someone who does, because a mapped automation is something that you can actually price, something that you can fix, something you can hand to the next person. A giant prompt is pretty much a mystery box, and nobody can price a mystery box, really. So this is my take. Anything with more than 3 steps, just map it first. Every single time. But this is definitely not for some people. So if you're just chatting with AI, playing around, you don't even want this. So this is for when real leads and real money are running through this thing. The video that started all this, I will link it in the description. It's worth a watch. Drop a comment. What's the one automation in your business that you would map first? Let me know and check out the other videos.